This is January 2018, question 11. It says, given A, so we're at A, given the vector what? OP is a position vector. It is what? 3, 4. And PQ, the vector PQ, which is minus 1, 2. And RS, and the vector RS, which is 1, 3. Now, the vectors PQ and RS are what you call displacement vector. The vectors PQ and RS are what you call displacement vector. What else? We're asked to determine the vector OQ. Most times when you ask what, find a vector, most time what you're going to use is the triangle law of vectors. So we're asked to find what? The vector OQ. Now, the vector OQ, what do you have up there? Triangle of vector is, you're going to start at what? O, you're going to end at what? Q, and the next letter must be in the middle. You're going to start at O, end at Q, and the next letter must be in the middle. So, triangle of vector is that OQ would be equal to what? OP plus what? Talk to me now? PQ. Plus PQ. So, we started at what? O, we end at what? Q, and the next letter is in the middle. This is the triangle law of vectors. Tell me, what is OP?
3, 4.
3, 4. What is PQ?
-1, 2.
-1, 2. So this is 3. A positive times a negative is a what?
Negative.
-1. And this is 4 plus 2. Therefore, the vector OQ is 2, 6. Did you get this?
Yes, sir.
Very good. Show that OQ and RS are parallel. We're asked to show that what? OQ and RS are parallel. What is RS? Help me now. RS. It's 1, 3. It's not 1 over 3, it's what? 1, 3. Alright, and OQ, as we just found, is the vector what? 2, 6. Tell me, what can go into 2 and 6 without leaving a remainder? What can go into 2 and 6 without leaving a remainder? 2. Put this outside, 2. What is 2 into 2? 1. 2 into 6? 3. What do we notice? We can notice that what? RS and what? OQ have the same base vector. The base vector is what? Is 1, what? 3. Can you see it? Therefore, RS and what? OQ are parallel. Ladies and gentlemen, two vectors are parallel if they are scalar multiples of the same base vector. Two vectors are parallel if they are scalar multiples of the what? Same base vector. I see it on the face, full of rusty. Nobody went home and practiced nothing. Two vectors are parallel if they are scalar multiples of the same what? Base vector. This is what? 1 multiplied by the vector 1, 3. This is what? 2 multiplied by the vector 1, 3. Both of them are scalar multiples of the same base vector 1, 3. Two vectors are parallel when they have the same base vector. And the base vector is 1, 3. Next we're asked to what? That's it? That's it for the first part. Now we're at part B. Part B says, X, Y, and Z is a triangle. Well, did they draw a triangle give us? No. So it means that we can draw any triangle. X, Y, and Z is a triangle. So I'm not going to draw it down here. Let me draw it here. I'm going to draw my triangle. My triangle is X, Y, and what? Z. X, Y, and Z is a triangle. Then it says such that what? XY is the vector little a. So the vector XY, this is the vector what? Little a. And the vector what? YZ is the vector what? Little b. YZ is the vector little b. Express the O and M is the midpoint of what? XZ. M is the middle. This is M is the middle of what? XZ. So over here and over here are equal. Here's what we're asked to do. Express the following vectors in the form A and B, simplifying your answer where possible. The first thing I want to know is what? What is the vector XZ? I. So we're at B, and the first thing I want to know is I. What is the vector what? XZ. The vector XZ. Now, most times when people ask you to find something and you're doing vectors, you're going to have to use the triangle law of vectors. I said most times, but not necessarily what? All of the time. Now, XZ. Alright? Triangle law is what? You start from what? X, end at what? And the next letter must be in the what? Middle. I will go XZ is equal to what? The vector what? XY plus what? Y, Z. Help me. What is XY?
A.
XY is the vector what?
A.
And what? What is YZ?
B.
The vector XZ is the vector what? A plus B. If this is A and this is B, this is what?
A plus B.
The vector what? X. The vector what? XZ is the vector what? A plus B. What next?
MY.
We need the vector MY. So going from M to what? To Y. We need MY. We need MY. Triangle law of vectors. MY. Well, you can go to one of two directions. You can go what? M what? X and then what? X what? Y. Or you can go what? M what? Z and then what? Z, Y. I'm going to go this route. MZ and what? ZY. Triangle law vector. You must start at what? N at what?
Y.
And the next letter must be in the
Middle.
So this is MZ plus ZY. Tell me if you agree with me that MZ is a half of XZ. Tell me now if you agree. Talk to me now. Where were we told M is? M is in the what?
Middle.
Is in the middle. This, all of this is what? X what? Z. But this is in the what? Middle. So MZ is what? A half of what? XZ. Plus what?
B.
ZY. Tell me. So this is a half of what? What is XZ?
A plus B.
So this is a half of A plus B plus ZY. Stay with me. What is YZ?
B.
Talk to me. YZ is what?
B.
So what is ZY?
Negative.
Talk to me.
Negative.
This is minus B. No, that is the answer. But what did he specifically say that we should do? He said we should what? Simplify. This is the same as saying what? A half. Let's put it as what? A plus B over 2. Do you agree? Let me know.
Yes, sir.
Multiplying by a half is the same as what? Divided by 2. Minus a positive times a negative is a what?
Negative.
So this is minus B over 1. If you're adding fractions and your denominators are different, you must find what?
Negative.
The LCM is what?
2.
2 into 2.
1.
1 times A plus B.
A plus B.
1 into 2. 2 times B.
2B.
Ladies and gentlemen, my is equal to A. What is B minus 2B? What is B minus 2B?
Minus B.
This is minus B over 2. I would say that my is equal to what? A half A minus B. A minus B divided by 2 is the same as saying what? A half of A minus B. Stay with me. Alright. The vector part of the question is finished. The vector part of the question is finished.